Hello and welcome to Mr. Benya Has Flipped. This is video lesson number 12. It's about inverse functions, and it's actually the examples from video lesson number 11. So this is also concept number 7. Example 1. Find the inverse of the graph function, or the function graph. Okay, fine. We're going to find the inverse of that, but it's easy. Watch. Just take notes, please. Watch it, or you can watch it one time and come back and take notes. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the coordinates of every single point on the original graph. Okay, this is my f of x. Okay, so I got all the coordinates. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to switch the coordinates. All the x's become y's, all the y's become x's. Okay, then I'm going to graph those points and connect them together. And remember how they're related? F of x and inverse f of x? How are they related? Exactly. Okay, f of x is reflected across the line y equals x. That's that blue line right there. That's the line of reflection for the inverse function. Okay, to find the inverse of a function. Alright, example number 2. Here's a function. F of x is equal to square root of x plus 5. And this time, I'm going to work it out using the 4 steps. So step number 1, change f of x to y. Got it? Step 2, switch x's and y's. Step 3, now this is the step that's kind of a little bit more difficult, just because it has more steps. I'm going to solve for y. So since I'm adding 5 in the original, I'm going to subtract 5. So I got x minus 5 is equal to square root of y. Now I want y. I don't want square root of y, so how do I get rid of the y? Well, actually, how do I get rid of the square root? What undoes the square root? Right, I'm going to square both sides. That undoes the square root, and I'm left with square root of x minus 5, the whole quantity, equals y. Step 4, what is it? Exactly, I'm going to change y to f inverse of x. So that's the answer. Okay, f inverse of x, what was it again? Let me go back here. F inverse of x is equal to x minus 5 squared, the whole quantity. Alright, example 3. Find the inverse of this function. Okay, so step 1. I'm going to change f of x to y. Got it? Step number 2. I'm going to switch x's and y's. Step number 3. I'm going to solve for y. So since I have a minus 4 in the original, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Got it. X plus 4 is equal to 1 over y. And I still don't have y by itself. So I'm going to multiply both sides by y because I'm dividing by y. There you go. I divide by y, or y over 1. It's a reciprocal. Okay, so what that does is on the right side I get 1. On the left side, I kind of get a mixture of stuff. I have x's and y's. I get y times x plus 4. I still want the y by itself. Okay, so there's some stuff there that is extra. I don't want it. And the extra stuff that I'm talking about is, give me a second here. This is the stuff I don't want. I don't want that, so I have to divide both sides by that. There you go. Divide both sides by this thing I don't want, and on the right side they cancel out. So I got this. Okay, they cancel out. That gives me 1 actually. And my final answer is going to be almost that. And I got to change y to f inverse, which is the 4th step. There it is. Step number 4. F inverse of x is equal to 1 over x plus 4. Okay, so there are more examples. Look at your SSPs, and I put some links on there. Look at those links. Take notes on those things. Alright? When I come back, I am going to check your notebooks, and I'll figure out a way to, get everything checked off and stamped. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.